dares to shine. A glowing gown of white, steps graceful and divine. Every gaze enchanted by the beauty she reveals. Her father stands there trembling with a love he can't conceal. And the night whispers softly, you're more